Hey guys, this is MHD Tech, and before starting the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and unboxings. As you unbox the product, you'll notice it comes in an orange box that contains a user manual, 2 separate boxes, and a premium quality travel case. The first box includes a Type-C charging cable. Additionally, the first box also contains 8 extra brush heads in 2 different colors, gray and blue. Moving on to the second box, you'll find the Bitvae R2 electric toothbrush enclosed in a high-quality travel case along with 2 more brush heads. The case looks premium and is highly advantageous for those constantly on the go, ensuring they don't compromise on their oral hygiene. You can carry this toothbrush while traveling and ensure that you have properly cleaned teeth with it, rather than using poor-quality hotel brushes that are not effective in removing plaque and maintaining oral health. Overall, the Bitvae Daily Electric R2 toothbrush is an excellent investment for anyone seeking a high-quality, efficient toothbrush with numerous features and benefits. Let's take a closer look at the specifications of this toothbrush. It boasts an impressive runtime of over 30 days per charge and eliminates the need for daily charging during use. Furthermore, the toothbrush can be fully charged in just 3 hours, allowing you to quickly and easily maintain its performance. With these features, you can enjoy a clean and healthy smile wherever you go without any inconvenience or hassle. The design of this toothbrush is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also highly functional. The grip is ergonomically designed to fit perfectly in your hand, making it comfortable and easy to hold while brushing. On the top of the toothbrush, you'll find a pressure indicator that alerts you when you're brushing too hard, helping to prevent damage to your teeth and gums. Additionally, there's a power button and a mode changing button, allowing you to select from 5 different cleaning modes: clean, sensitive, white, gum care, and tongue. These modes offer a range of cleaning options to meet all of your oral care needs, and the vibration intensity changes with each mode, ensuring effective and gentle cleaning of your gums and tongue. Whether you're looking for a deep clean, sensitive cleaning, or a whitening boost, this toothbrush has you covered. The charging indicator located below the mode buttons keeps you informed about the toothbrush's battery life, so you never have to worry about running out of power unexpectedly. And when it's time to recharge, simply plug the toothbrush into the charging port located at the bottom of the brush handle, and it'll be ready for use again in no time. With all of these features, this toothbrush is the perfect tool for achieving a healthy, bright smile. To demonstrate the pressure indicator, let's test it. I will apply high pressure against my teeth and observe if red light indicates excessive force. In addition to the pressure indicator, every mode has a 2-minute smart timer with a 30-second pause to remind you to change sides while brushing. Furthermore, this brush is waterproof and comes with an IPX7 rating, ensuring its durability and allowing for easy cleaning. The Bitvae electric toothbrush removes 400% more plaque than a normal manual toothbrush, thanks to its powerful motor, unique windmill design, and arc-cut bristles. Now, you no longer need to worry about damaging your gums by using excessive force. This was all about the Bitvae R2 electric toothbrush. I hope you found this information helpful. If so, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your reviews in the comments down below. This is MHD Tech, and we will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.